Hi, my name's Darrel. I'm an Australian-based Joomla web developer. I build sites for sporting icons, performers, high-level performers, Indigenous dance companies, travel organisations and other business clients. I've been building sites since 2008 and I've utilised quite a lot of different developers' templates and frameworks. Most of them all bragging that they were very easy to use and you didn't need to learn code. I found this over the next 6 years, 7 years pretty much to be not true, and a lot of them just did not offer the support they made out they were going to give. They spoke in languages that a person that didn't know code couldn't understand, and I kept moving from one to the other, hoping to find something that was going to build and work with my business. In 2016, around mid 2016, I decided to trial the Quix system built by the ThemeXperts. I was a little bit hesitant from their location in Bangladesh to start with, and then I thought, no, look, we'll give these guys a go, and I built my first website with Quix, and it took me quite a few months. The actual Quix system wasn't so hard. It was very easy to get in the back end and create the site to get the look you wanted, but I found that it still had a lot of conflicts with a lot of other extensions and components. The difference being is these guys did not stop working with me and helping to iron out some of the problems that were creating these conflicts, even at times when it was actually not their doing and it was perhaps some of the other extensions. So after they did that for a while, I then decided to introduce them to some of the extension owners and developers of those extensions that I've been using, and lo and behold, the ThemeXpert guys worked with them. While I was developing my website, they were developing their next template called Firefly, and when I downloaded that one, all the problems that I'd been talking about to them, everything was implemented into this new Firefly template. It took me 2 weeks to build an extensively good website, great looking, zero conflict, or not zero, but very little, and those have been ironed out in a 2 or 3 week period. The third site, I basically used a Kiba to back up and move my site to another server using the site I just built with Firefly and Quix, and then I just made the changes of pictures, metadata, etc., titles and all those things in 24 hours and had a website up in 24 hours for a new client. With this Quix system and the ThemeXperts Firefly template. I can't recommend these guys enough. They continue to develop, they're looking forward to the future. Every time I've got a problem, whether it's their software or not, they're always in there in the back end trying to help me work out what it is that's going wrong. That's about all I can say about them. I'm going to be with them for a while. I've got 6 other sites I'm going to be moving across to the Firefly template and the T3 framework over the next 2 to 3 weeks. That's it from me, folks. Enjoy Quix.